Let's talk painter's tape. Okay, let's do a competition. Prepping to trim out with paint versus just freehanding it. I think I have an idea which one's quicker, but let's test it. Each of these ceiling tiles are approximately 2 foot wide. So let's do a 8-foot span, and we'll do the first one with tape and the second one freehanding and see which one is a time saver and which one's more valuable to you as the viewer. Okay, the rules will be simple. Both finished products have to be similar. So the lines have to look straight, comparable for both. The timer with the paint prepping has to be prepping with tape, painting, and removing the tape. Okay, start the timer now. So we're going to mask off the ceiling. That's that black edge, and we'll compare the two. I have my theories and biases about which one is quicker. Painter's tape is good for the beginner, but it feels so inefficient because you spend all your time prepping. Now I need to move the ladder. We're going to do an 8-foot span, which is 4 of these 2 by 2 foot tiles. Let's keep going. I'm trying to hurry up so it'll be a fair comparison. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's cut that there. Okay, let's seal that all down so paint doesn't get underneath. Okay, now we need a paintbrush. Okay, handy dandy paintbrush. Then you have that confidence that painter's tape is there, protecting the edge, hopefully. Okay, I have to reposition my ladder. Okay, 2 foot down, 2 foot to go. This timer will include the removal time of the painter's tape. So we're cutting it around the edges. You're typically cutting in around your doors, windows, ceilings, things like that. Okay, let's get that brush in there. Okay, I'm going to remove the painter's tape while it's wet and look at the edge. Here we go. Pull all the way down. Okay, stop the timer. Unofficial time is 2 minutes and 47 seconds. Let's see what we do freehanding for 8 foot long. Let me show you how this should work. Load up the brush, and as you drag across, I'm a little out of breath, but you want to let the bristles do the work. You don't need to get overly precise. Just let the paint flow into the natural crevice or straight edge. And you see how that brush will flatten out like that. That's what you want. Now let's feather that out. Okay, let's keep going. It feels incredibly efficient to be getting paint on the walls without that prep time of screwing around with painter's tape. Got to reposition the ladder without dropping the paint on me. So we got 4 more feet to go. My hand feels a little shaky because I'm out of breath. Normally, you wouldn't have a timer on. Okay, got a lot of paint over here already. Let's pull that in. Okay, this is the last panel. That angle brush will just flatten right out, and then you get a natural straight edge there that you can pull the paint across. And feather that in, is you ready for your roller? Okay, stop the timer. Unofficial time is 1 minute, 24 seconds. I'm not a mathematician, but I think that was a lot quicker by freehanding it and not doing the prep of putting painter's tape up. Let's show a close-up of the different sides. I know a lot of homeowners and first-time painters don't feel comfortable cutting a straight edge without the insurance of painter's tape. I'm telling you, you can do this. Painter's tape is okay in certain situations, especially around high-end cabinetry, maybe granite countertops, things like that. But just for cutting in around doors and windows and ceilings, you can freehand it for sure, and you'll do a great job. It just takes a little bit of practice. You'll get better over time and gain confidence. But if you choose painter's tape, it's up to you. Either way, I still like you. Thanks for watching the channel as always. We'll see you next week.